The Bhota Party internationally is a very good party. Do or die for Bhota divide GDP 50-50. The votership, the central pillar of democracy. We want voters. No votership, no rest. Do or die for votership. Right to live and getting their share and a various collective property fundamental right. All the voters and the Bhota Party internationally is a very good party and responsibility and understanding, very good party. And the government of parents, there is a new political party and social science and economics freedoms and the central government's main family will import a support and protection. Otherwise, poverty, unemployment and shortage of food are some problems for our country.
What is your main demand?
Articles, votership, we want votership, no rest. Do or die for votership divide GDP 50-50. The votership, the central pillar of democracy. We want voters, no rest. Do or die for votership. The votership, the central pillar of, and according to Article 22 of the Constitution, every person has fundamental right to be defended by a law. Article 29A of the Constitution places a duty upon the state to provide law to any citizen who is unable to engage one due to poverty or otherwise. Why not votership? Why not pension? The central government man family will look to import the support and protection in. Otherwise, poverty, unemployment, and shortage of food are some problems in the country. And to make social security, economic human rights, right to live and getting their share and a various collective property fundamental right, all the voters and